my name is Putri Puspita. In this video, I will to explain about new normal and vaccinating in Indonesia. Therefore, in this occasion, we will discuss the new normal in this relationship with vaccine that are said to be realized in conjunction with the implementation of new normal by the government. Before discussing further, we need to know what is the new normal and vaccinating. New normal is a change in the culture of life proclaimed by the government of the Republic of Indonesia so that people can be used to the new normal living order to deal with the spread of the coronavirus. Related to that, to limit the spread of coronavirus, when new normal, it is necessary to vaccinate. Vaccination is also called immunization. It's the administration of vaccine into the body of a person to provide immunity to beat the disease.
New normal has become a hot issue discussed in various places and social media platforms since May 2020. At this time, many people had been doing their usual activities, thinking as if the pandemic has never happened before. It is possible that this happened as a reaction from the community after a long period of self-quarantine and PSBB. Some people even seem to ignore health protocols when doing their activities, both in public places and at work. New normal has indirectly been carried out by itself. Apart from the independent quarantine for too long, it is also due to the demands of one's life that their economy seems to be continues to decline. The assistance from the government is only enough for 1 week at most, and after that, they need to work to meet their daily needs. After several months, finally there was official news from the government regarding the implementation of the new normal in the education sector. On the mid-November, the Minister of Education of Culture, Nadiem Makarim, stated that schools may carry out face-to-face learning but with certain conditions. Therefore, Nadiem hopes that schools will start preparing from now until the end of the year for a change in learning models. The policy for face-to-face opening at schools is the result of joint decree of the Minister of Education and Culture, Minister of Religion, Minister of Health, and Minister of Home Affairs of the Republic of Indonesia regarding guidelines for implementing a new learning system in the 2020 and 2021 school year during the pandemic. Nadiem also stated that face-to-face learning is allowed but not required. The reason is this decision was made to be readjusted to the needs of and conditions of each region. Likely, if this trial period runs smoothly, then this can be used as a benchmark for assessment to be taken into consideration for the implementation of the new normal as a whole in the future.
I will explain the section on the new normal and vaccination conflict. The government decision to buy the vaccine. According to the Indonesian Medical Association, seems too hasty and has not been clinically tested in the country regarding its effect. The government should do more testing and study before the vaccine is tested in Indonesia, so it will not cause a new problem due to the impact of vaccination, especially if the effect lasts long and have a bad impact on the person's health. But after all this polemic, in the end, the new normal cannot be applied generally, even though the vaccine has been distributed to the public. Considering the limited number of subsidized vaccine, the potential for the spread of COVID-19 is still large, because there are many Indonesians who do not get the subsidized vaccine, while the rest have to buy independent vaccine at price that are not necessarily affordable for all groups. What about the middle and lower class people, let alone buying vaccine? Even to get food for tomorrow is also difficult. Apart from the elders, they are the vulnerable ones to contracting the COVID-19 virus. Of course, this will cause controversy in society. Let's just sit down and wait on how the government in handling this problem.
If we refer to WHO, there are at least 6 criteria that need to be met by a country before loosening the restriction and entering the new normal era. The first criterion is countries that will implement the new normal concept must have evidence that the transmission of COVID-19 in their territory has been controlled. Second, adequate health system and facilities. Third, the rise of a coronavirus outbreak must be minimized in the area with high vulnerability. Fourth, establishment of preventive measures in the work environment and public place. The fifth criterion is that the rise of cases that the infected one brought from another countries must be controlled. And the sixth criterion is that the citizen must also participate in guarding the transition period to the new normal. Since the last few months, finally there is good news regarding the control of the coronavirus. The Indonesian government is planning to vaccine COVID-19, which will be a bright spot to fulfill everyone's expectation. However, the vaccine is still in the clinical trial stage before it finally distributed to the public. Regarding the handling of vaccinations, President Jokowi asked for certainty and timing of the COVID-19 vaccination to his cabinet. While reviewing the vaccination simulation in Tanah Serial Bogor, West Java on November 18, the President estimated that vaccination could be carried out in late 2020 or early 2021. Bamsud said currently the task force that responsible to handle COVID-19 is designated to vaccination scheme, namely subsidized vaccination and independent vaccination. Subsidized vaccination only give to 60 million people. Furthermore, the Ministry of Health has the authority to determine the price of the COVID-19 vaccine. However, Honesty was reluctant to explain the proposed price range for the corona vaccine.
New normal is a change in the culture of life launched by the government of the Republic of Indonesia so that people can familiarize themselves with and limit the spread of the coronavirus. The new normal has become a hot issue discussed in various press and social media platforms since May 2020. On November 20, 2020, Minister of Education and Culture Nadiem Makarim stated the schools may carry out face-to-face learning but with certain conditions. In the case, the government decision to buy a vaccine seems too hasty and has not been clinically tested in the country for its impact. If referring to WHO, there are at least 6 criteria that must be met by a country living and entering a new normal era. First, transmission of COVID-19 in its territory must be controlled. Second, adequate health system and facilities. Third, the risk of a coronavirus outbreak must be minimized. Fourth, determining preventive action in the work environment and public place. Five, the risk of case brought by infected persons from other countries must be controlled. And six, citizens must also participate in guarding the transition